안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I will share my hearty and savory porridge recipe with you. It is called NakJi Kimchi Juk in Korean. As today's main ingredient, prepare the octopus. So rinse them well and cut them into little chunks. If you don't like octopus or don't have it, you can also use shrimp, ground meat such as pork, beef, chicken, and so on, squid, or any other seafood you like. We also need to chop the well-fermented kimchi into a similar size as the octopus, along with the onion. For flavoring and garnishing, finely chop the green onion and red hot pepper. In a preheated pot with the sesame oil, add the green onion and fry for 30 seconds on medium-high. This green onion oil will give great flavor to the porridge. Add the kimchi and the onion and fry them for about 3 minutes on medium-high. Pour the water into the pot. You can use some homemade vegetable or anchovy broth instead of water, but water can make it easier. Bring it back to a boil. Prepare some cooked rice. This recipe is a nice way to use up some of your leftover rice. Once the broth starts to boil, add the prepared rice into the broth. Stir it well until the rice gets mixed into the broth and is no longer in chunks. Now, add the octopus and all the seasoning ingredients except for the sesame oil. Cook it for about 8 minutes on medium. Meanwhile, crush the seasoned and roasted dried liver in a zipper bag. If you like this a lot, you can have more for this recipe. After 8 minutes, all the ingredients will be cooked beautifully. So let's serve it. Put the right amount of porridge in your bowl. And drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. Finally, garnish the porridge with some of the green onion, red hot pepper, the dried liver, and the sesame seed. It is so colorful and pretty. Please try this delicious NakJi Kimchi Juk someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yay! 한 번 더. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.